Chiplet technology is transforming the way semiconductor chips are designed and manufactured. Chiplets are small, modular chips that create powerful XPUs. They are the future of computing and will significantly impact the design of silicon-based products. Chiplets offer several advantages over traditional CPUs and GPUs, such as increased performance, scalability, and cost savings. With their use cases proliferating, chiplets will become even more popular in the coming years. Chiplets allow for more efficient use of resources and help reduce costs for manufacturers. Using chiplets also enables faster time to market for new products as they can quickly adapt to changing customer needs. With their versatile capabilities, chiplets have become essential to modern semiconductor design and manufacturing processes. Chiplets are a great way to reduce semiconductor manufacturing costs, time, and resources. However, several hurdles need to be solved for them to succeed. Design complexity, high defect rates, and expensive testing and validation processes present challenges for chiplet manufacturers. Additionally, the cost of materials needed for chiplet production is often higher than traditional methods due to the complex nature of their designs. As a result, manufacturers must find ways to reduce these costs to make chiplet production viable. Nevertheless, chiplets do present a unique opportunity to the semiconductor industry.